Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today we dive into one of the most fascinating and controversial questions in modern physics. Can we control quantum collapse? Is it possible to decide which way reality goes at the quantum level? Or are we forever slaves to chance? Are we forever slaves to chance? These are the questions. And in our today's video, we will discuss all these questions. What are the answers to these questions? You know superposition. Actually, if you talk about that quantum particles like electron, photon or an atom, all these are quantum particles. They exist in many possible states at once, and this is known as superposition. They exist in many possible states. States means position, momentum, energy, polarization, spin. All these things are known as states, quantum states. So at the same time, simultaneously, all these states exist. Okay, simultaneously. This is the question. And you know that, not this is the question, this is the superposition. Okay, anyway. And you know that when we observe the system or the quantum particles, that means when the measurement is made, at that time what happens? You know only one outcome you get. That is known to everybody. If you have already studied quantum mechanics, then you know this thing. When measurement is made, then in that case we get only one outcome. But that outcome is not our choice. We don't have any control on that outcome. That outcome is not the desired one. You may desire any outcome, but according to your desire, you won't get that outcome. That means quantum world itself chooses the outcome whenever measurement is made. So this is known as superposition. And if you ask whether we can control that quantum collapse. We can control quantum collapse means what? That means we want that desired outcome. Is it possible? So according to the principle of quantum mechanics, this is not possible. So straightforward answer is no, this is not possible because the results are probabilistic. What we can do? We can only calculate, means we can only predict the likelihood of outcomes, not the exact one, never the exact one. We can predict the likelihood of outcomes, never the exact one, because results or the outcomes are probabilistic in nature. So this is quantum mechanics. Up to this is known to you if you have already studied quantum mechanics. But physicists are pushing these limits. Yes. Physicists are pushing these limits using quantum feedback control, quick measurements, and quantum state engineering. They are trying to steer the quantum systems toward the desired outcomes. Okay, and not fully collapsing them. Okay, they are not fully collapsing the quantum states, but using these things, these special techniques, they are trying to steer the quantum systems towards desired outcomes. And already around the world in different labs, researchers have done this using laser pulses and electromagnetic fields. Okay, they have done something special. That means according to their effort using laser pulses and that electromagnetic fields, they have got a specific, means they have increased the probability of finding the particle in a specific state. That means yet full control is not possible. But to some extent they have. That means physicists have got the success. They have used those things, that is laser pulses and that electromagnetic fields, to nudge the quantum particle gently, quantum particles gently toward what? toward a specific outcome, toward a specific state. And same things in quantum computing scientists have already used, means they have exploited the same idea by controlling quantum collapse. They are doing what? They are encoding and retrieving information efficiently by using the same idea. But just keep in your mind that yet full control is not possible. Scientists or the physicists are trying to do the same thing. They are trying to have full control over this. That means maybe in future, that's why the title of the video is Future Physics. Maybe in future we'll be able to get the desired outcome, the exact outcome. Okay, so they are trying different techniques to do the same thing. Means physicists are trying to they are trying different techniques for the same outcome, for the same result. Okay, and you know, if this becomes possible, if full control on quantum collapse becomes possible, then in that case improvements in technology, means quantum technology, you can easily make an idea. At least you can guess. If full control becomes possible, then what might happen in future. So the question was what? Whether quantum collapse, whether we can control quantum collapse or not. So answer to this question is yes, but not fully. Yes, but not fully. Okay, that is the answer to the question. Anyway, so this was all about this video, and this is the end of this video. If you have found this video fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.